How to help a child with speech articulation problems at home. An articulation disorder is a speech difficulty in which a child is unable to speak a particular letter very clearly. He either substitutes it with another letter or his speech is said to be unclear. So, although speech therapy is one of the best ways to overcome this difficulty, and you must seek a speech therapist's help at the right time. But these are some tips that I'm going to share with you that you can carry out at home on non-therapy days in the natural environment of the child so that he can speak more clearly and become a confident speaker. First, practice revision daily. So revision is a technique in which you repeat what the child has just said, but with the correct pronunciation. So you should repeat the sounds or the letters in which the child is struggling in the correct way. And you can do it at any time of the day, anywhere you are, in any setting, whether you are at home or you're shopping or you're sitting together in the car with your child or you are attending an event, anywhere, wherever you feel the child is attentive. Repeat correctly. Number 2, avoid imitating and copying your child's errors. So, when small children, they speak some things which are in not the correct way, they sound very cute. And in all these years of practice, I've seen that parents repeat whatever the child is saying. It may be wrong or right. Now, you have to avoid doing that. Do not model what the child is saying if it is wrong. If the child is speaking something and you feel the pronunciation is wrong, then correct him and not imitate. Number 3, read to your child. I cannot even begin to amplify the importance of reading when it comes to the language and speech development of your child. And same goes for pronunciation also, articulation as well. Therefore, you must read books to your child because it helps the child listen to the correct pronunciation of the words, of the letters and the sounds. And this is the best strategy. I tell all parents, read more and more to your child. And in fact, if you feel that your child is struggling with pronunciation issues, then you should probably look at buying books which work on the articulation skills. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below where you can find links to articulation books. Model good speech to your child. By this I mean whenever you are playing with your child, ensure that you speak the letters and words correctly yourself. As we all know that parents are role model for their children. Same applies for the speaking habits as well. Whenever you are playing with your child, you must speak the words correctly and subconsciously the child will really pick up the good pronunciation habits from you. Number 5, narrate daily routines. So we all engage with our children in so many different types of activities every day. And the best strategy is to narrate that you both are doing in that activity. So whether it is giving bath, getting the child ready for school, dropping him to school, feeding him, playing with him, and the rest. So what this allows is when you are speaking so many words in different settings, the child hears those words again and again, listens to the correct pronunciation, and subconsciously learns them. And number 6, and the final tip in this video for you is practicing successful words. So you know that your child has difficulty in certain sounds and words. Make a list of those and repeat the ones which he has correctly learned to speak. So that will boost his confidence, it will revise those words again, and overall it will help him speak more confidently. And if you're looking for speech therapy and the best help that you can take from home, consult us at onespecialplace.com.